Hello guys, welcome to another video. We've just come out for a nice little walk from our doorstep. So Jade and India back there. Yeah, the UK are in lockdown again, so we've got to walk in our local area. So I just thought I'd take you with me and just have a quick little walk, see what mushrooms we can find, or just see what we can find. Wood here on some dead wood. Even under the snow. Aha. Foraging winds. Just found some scarlet elf cups as well. Down here. It's quite early for these to be out. They're normally February, March, or end of January. Beautiful and edible. Got some nice conchs. Right guys, it's just a quick one today, so hope you enjoyed the video showing you our lovely local Romsey. Just obviously came for a little local walk in and around one of the triple SSIs. So yeah, got some elf cups and some wood ears, so not a bad little forage. Oh dear. The last time we did this walk, it was summer and it wasn't like this. We came out unscathed, just about, we're fine. I did the splits though, which wasn't great. Anyway, that's us done. If you have enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.
Yo, entering the planet, we were born in 1990. Censoring the damage through the years quite precisely. Peppering the cabbage every day with new rhyme schemes. Venturing the stranded and tired of